Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Last week we made peach cobbler, so that today we're going to do some almond bar cookies. The first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. In a medium to large size bowl, you need to cream 1 stick of butter and a cup of sugar. You want to make sure it's kind of fluffy and crumbly, just like this. Next, you want to add 1 egg. To add in half a teaspoon of almond extract. And then mix until it's fluffy. Just like that. Next, you want to add in 1 3/4 cups of flour. Next, you want to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything in really well. What you want to do is get your hands in and make it into a ball. Once you have your dough in a ball, divide it into 4 pieces. Take your 4 pieces of dough and roll them out until they're about 1 foot long. When they're long enough, put it on a parchment-lined cookie sheet and then flatten it out with your fingers until it's about 2.5 to 3 inches wide. It needs to look something like that. You're only going to be able to fit about 2 logs per cookie sheet, so this is going to take 2 baking times. Once you have each log placed on the cookie sheet, you need to brush it with some milk. After you're done brushing it with milk, sprinkle some sliced almonds on top. Now you want to put these in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. While the cookies are baking, you can start on the icing that's going to go on top. In a small bowl, measure out 1 cup of confectioner's sugar. Then you want to add 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Then you want to add in a 1/4 cup of milk. You just want to mix all of this around with just a metal spoon. Now, if your icing looks too runny, you can always add more confection or sugar to it. When the cookies are done, you can drizzle them with this icing. After the cookies are done, you want to cut them crosswise at a diagonal. You can cut them however big, however small you want. After you've finished cutting them, and once they're a little cooler, go ahead and drizzle on the icing that you made. Not a lot, just enough to give everybody a little taste of it. And when you're done, decorate them on a pretty platter. When you finish, put them on a pretty platter and set them out for your friends. Next week, I will be doing a cherry crumble, so tune in. Thanks.